Hi guys, it's Friday today, no it's Saturday today, and I'm in my boat again. This time I'm in the boat on my own, and as you can see I'm with my dad and mum. So we're just going down the river today. I think we're going to do a camp out, see how it goes. I'm in the back of the boat. Louise would normally sit here, but instead I've got my bag. So it's a lovely morning today. And I'm not sure how long we're going to paddle. It depends. But I'm just coming out to test the boat, see what it's like on my own. Got enough room for my feet, but I'm just going to leave them out. So we've just come across a log in the river, and we've all just portage in now. So we're just going to get back in here and carry on down stream. So we decided to camp, found a spot. We found this place and it's really nice, and we thought we'd camp here. So we've got the castle opposite us, and yeah, we just found a little area. I can put up my hammock between some of these trees, and there's a little fire pit, so we'll probably have a fire now. So I think now I'm going to go get some firewood from here. Just get some twigs and a few little bits. There's quite a few dead trees in here, so I'll get it from there. So it'll be a nice spot today, and we'll be going back tomorrow. Get up tomorrow morning, and then row home. So I've just collected some bits of firewood just for starting, and then we get some bigger logs later. So now I'm just going to set up my hammock there. I'm going to try if it's wide enough between both trees. So I'll be right next to the river then. So for today's setup, I put the ridge line up, and I threaded it, just brought it through each of the loops on the top. I normally put it underneath the tarp, but today I'm going to set it up like that. I'm going to peg it all down at the back, and then I think, yeah, I'll peg it down at the front as well, so it will protect me from the wind, as it's quite windy here. That'll be nice. So I'm going to crack on. So I've just put my boat there just to block the wind as it's coming from that direction. So I put that there so no wind is getting underneath the tarp. And then it's pretty cosy inside now. I've blocked out so much wind, so it should be fine tonight as it's 11 degrees, so I'm nice and warm, won't be too bad. And I've got a lovely view to wake up to. A little rope swing here. Doubt I'm going to have a go on that. So yeah, it's looking good. They're just setting up their setup now. They've recently brought a new canoe. Very nice. It's a two-man canoe. Got lots and lots of room in there. They also fitted Buster in here. Hello. So he's loving it as well. He's gone for a little dip today. Went in for a swim. So he loves it. Got the Kelly kettle with us. We've also brought our alcohol stoves. The bushwhacker man. Do you want to run us through your setup?
Yeah, I've got the MSR Elix 3, the inner skin.
It's a two-man tent.
And me and the good lady are staying in there tonight.
What? Talk me through your setup.
So I've got a wall blanket down on the base, and then I've got my Neo Air Venture. No,
that's my one.
Trekker actually.
Yeah.
Trekker. The wife's got the Trekker.
The Venture.
The Venture. I'm getting tongue-tied. And the Reb sleeping bag over the top. But it's a nice roomy tent. 2 vestibules either side, so we can both get in and out at night.
Got a little pocket here.
Yeah, nice little pockets at the side. Got a torch there, power pack.
Got little bits for hanging, torches.
Yeah, hanging bits and pieces. So it's first time in the tent for a while, so it'll be quite nice and different.
Yeah. Very nice.
And double skins, and the outer skin. The outer skin's really nice, really waterproof, and thermal properties in there. And the good lady's doing just increasing my vestibule. Yeah. I've got a nice canopy.
We've got a lovely view.
Yeah, beautiful views to wake up to. Can't say better than that.
And then you've got the good old town boat, haven't you?
Oh, the old town. Yeah, the old town, Charles, that's what's got us here. Got all our gear in there and the dog. Beautiful.
Recommend the boat?
Oh, I love the boat. Yeah, I love the boat. And I got my fixed the Garmin to the back, in the captain's chair. Got my Garmin set to track our progress and built-in navigation. Yeah.
Yes.
And 2 airbags either side. Stop the baby sinking.
Pretty nice. So we got a few nettles tonight, so I think we'll be making nettle tea. But hopefully you don't fall over again, eh? Into the river.
I should be safe if you look after me, Bex.
Yeah. So I think we collect some of the nettles.
Seeds, they're like busy lizzies do that.
So we've been here an hour or so now, and I think for dinner tonight we have got pot noodle. So I think not sure what flavour I've got. I've got pot noodle, and so it's a lovely afternoon. I think later we're gonna go over there and so paddle across, go over there and have a look around at the castle. And so it's my setup's really secure now. Got it all secured, not much wind's getting in, and I've set the dog's bed up now. Just in here, he'll lay in there with me. A bit of shelter for him. So we found loads and loads of these logs just down there, and we just made a little bench. It's a lovely location. It's a shame that we've got to go back tomorrow as it's Sunday. But yeah, it's been a great half term. I've done a lot. I did my solo 4 days, which was really good. So yeah, it's been really good, and I hope to do more adventures like this as well, even like while I've got school at the weekends and things like that. Now I'm just going to be using my alcohol stove to cook a pot noodle. So I've got curry flavour for tonight. Very nice. What have you got, Bushcraft man?
I've got the beans.
You got what?
Light lunch.
Tuna salad.
Really nice. Recommend this.
Very nice. So today I've got the Esbit, and we've just had a grate. Put a grate on, and I'm going to put my cup on top, my Pathfinder cup, and that's the only way it will sit, because I'm not using the pans. I'm using my Pathfinder because it was more weight, so it'll just rest on top of there. Got a love of curry pot noodle. I've got it with some mango sauce. So I'll wait for that to boil and I'll put it in my my pot.
One. Attach it to your boat. Don't, and GoPros. Joe's got two. Joe's got two.
I've just
you see me Gombi?
put the
You got it.
little fire out, and now I put my water in. I'm gonna put this over the top and wait for it to melt or just soak into the noodles. All done now. I'm gonna start eating. So we've just crossed over the river now in the boat. I'm just pegging it up now with a stick that we've just put a spike on the end of it. There's our camp across there, looking great. So just going to head over here now, have a look at the castle So we're moored up now. We're going to go for our walk. So just looking now, it's an ancient church. Not sure how old it is, but so now we're going to cross over and we're just going to go down the river. Collected some beautiful feathers. So we're finally back now at the camp. So just got the fire started. Used one of my fire lighters to spark it, and then a few feather sticks round. Bushcraft man's just putting on some bits of wood now. Just found some pan. So we're going to put our pots in there and put it over the fire. Soup pots. Yeah, so tonight we've got big soup. That would be nice. We've got a few rolls to go with it. So it was quite hard lighting the fire today, as it was pretty windy, so we had to shelter it to get it going. So we just put the pan on the fire and put our containers in. Lovely.
Oi, where's the spoon, jobbies? While I need cutlery. Fill the heat. Yeah. Nice toasty buns. See why I need a break, can't you?
So we just put the bread rolls on a plank of wood, and we're going to toast them on there. Our soup's still going. Very nice.
Can't beat a nice bun. Can't beat a nice bun.
I watch the battery power, but go on.
What do you want?
What are you going to take away from this?
Take away from this? Memories.
Yeah, what ones?
Memories of being outside, sharing it with us three and the dog. The lovely memories of the place. Nature's so beautiful.
Thanks for that. Thanks for sharing your experiences.
Thank you, and the soup will be served shortly.
So, just got our soup now. We've got big soup. The rolls are nearly done. Very, very nice.
You can't beat a good old bun.
So just got the bun. Got my soup. Probably go for a walk later or see how it goes. So we've just got the Kelly kettle on. We just stuck it on the fire.
And we're gonna have a coffee.
We're gonna boil up the water and have a coffee. So we just went for a walk down that way. It's really nice. We collected a vase with some flowers in over there. So we brought that back. The Kelly kettle is boiled now, so Mum's going to demonstrate how to get it off. There we are. Got 3 cups of coffee. Very nice. Mum's just served us that one, so cheers everyone.
Cheers.
Just sitting next to the river now. It's 4:45. So the sun's just starting to set, so it looks really nice now. It's lovely seeing the reflection in the water. Very nice. Bushcraft man's just rowing the boat now. Really chilled out now. It's been a great day. Both all enjoyed it, haven't we? Yep.
Yeah, loving it.
Even the dog has. So we've all gone out and got a few logs that we've found alongside with that vase that we got, and other bits of kindling for the morning. So that's very nice, all prepared. We think we might go and look for some badgers soon, as we found loads of holes, badger holes, earlier on our walk. But we're just chilling out now. So yeah, it's been a great day. Really, really good. And it's a shame we've got to go home tomorrow. Got my wind-up torch for tonight, which is really useful. So tonight I brought with me my favourite book, which is Into the Wild. They've done a film on the story as well. It's a true story. Go give that a watch.
Rivers down, I will say to you. By the rivers down, I will say to you.
Right, it's about 7:30 now. It's really dark. I've got the fire going still, and I think we'll hit the sack soon. So I'm just in my hammock and tarp now. It's really, really cosy in here. It blocks a lot of wind, as it's still really windy outside. So it's really nice. It's really cosy. Love this setup. Ash is gonna get into bed soon. I'll set him up down there. But yeah, it's really nice. My bed's really warm. It's gonna be a good night.
And a still cup of tea.
Hi guys, good morning. We're all up now and just having a coffee now. Waking up to a great view there. Put the sausages on, haven't we?
Yeah, got the chipolatas on. Hungry after yesterday,
Yeah.
all the activities. Get some protein in us.
I think it's starting to rain. Oh yeah. So we had a good night last night. Slept well. The dog chased a few animals in the night. I don't know what it was, but he ran after them. But apart from that, it was a really good night. Tarp wasn't like moving around a lot in the wind, it was fine. And not much like wind flow came through, so it was really warm. Just going for a early morning paddle in the canoe. So yeah, I'm just gonna go down that way and test this boat out. Lovely morning today. Bushwhacker's just got his porridge while I'm paddling him around. Just packed up now. Hammock and tarp put away, everything's put away now, and I think we'll be getting on the boat soon and heading back home, unfortunately. It's been a really good trip. I've really enjoyed it. Yeah, it's really nice. It's so relaxing. It's really nice to get on the boat again. So yeah. So now I'm back in the boat now with my little companion Buster. Got him here in the boat with me now. So yeah, we're gonna paddle home now. we've just reached the lock now, and the car park is just behind me, and we're finally going home. It's been a really good trip. I've really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching yet another video. I really appreciate it. So yeah, thanks.